Look how cute this little tabletop water fountain is. It works super easily. The directions were super clear to follow. You literally plug it in, do like 3 steps, fill the water basin with some water, and then I have it nearby an outlet so that it can constantly go. Turn it off, I just unplug it. It also has this little lamp. It's kind of showing up weird on my camera, but it changes colors, which is super cute, and then has some decorative rocks with it. You could add more rocks if you wanted to, and then it just kind of flows throughout the 3 flowers or the petals. But this is what it looks like. It's so cute. It would also be great for something like a desk or a living room. I have it just in my kitchen right now because I have like a little decorative spot right here, which I think looks really pretty and nice. The metal piece here, let me unplug it for a second. The metal piece is like this really pretty brushed gold. Once you turn it off, it'll kind of trickle down and all the water will go back to the bottom, and then I'll turn it back on for you. And then I just automatically will pop back on too. Super great quality. The brand actually sent it to me. I love just the look of it. It's very zen, so it'd be great for something like an office, but I love it in my kitchen. I'm very pleased with it.